This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. From the Wizards, who brought you Formula E, comes an EV-powered off-road race series so maximally awesome, so ultra-futuristic, it's Extreme E-Racing! But seriously, y'all, this just announced spec series is called Extreme E, and it takes everything you love about good old-fashioned dirt racing and adds battery power to the mix. 400 kilowatt hours of battery power to be precise. Dubbed Odyssey 21, these 3,600-pound behemoths ride on massive 35-inch wheels and will be modified by manufacturers to resemble their production cars. That personal touch would make the high-riding race rigs relatable to race fans, which, let's face it, is the key to giving the series a fighting chance of survival. The coolest thing about the race series, when it hits in 2021, Extreme E might just change the way people think about EVs. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a delivery drone dropping off your McDonald's? Uber is working hard to futurize and automate its delivery services by adding drones to the mix. Under the current plan, Uber Elevate will incorporate drones into the delivery of your food. Sadly, the robocopter carrying your food won't be delivering to you directly. Instead, it will fly your food the majority of the trip, then drop it off with a human courier to make the final exchange. That is, if they can actually get it to work. For one, the FAA hasn't approved Uber's drones yet, so, Uber just jot that one down. Also, despite promises galore from Uber, tests don't seem to be going too well. According to a Bloomberg report, during one attempt to deliver delicious and nutritious McNuggets a distance of half a mile, the winds battered the drone so hard that it simply hovered in place until aborting the mission. Still, if the service does get up and running, Uber promises faster service times without added cost. And you can brag to your buddies that a drone maybe delivered your food.
Pixar, it didn't happen, brah!
Exactly. If you're finally acclimating to the BMW's i3 quirky looks, and some of us aren't there, well, you better get used to it because BMW is apparently committed for the long haul. Weird thing is, though, unlike most models which start off strong and taper off, the i3's sales just grew and grew and grew. In fact, its 2018 sales actually doubled its first full year's sales figures, and 2019 is on track to outdo last year's. Weird. So, what does the curious case of the i3 mean for BMW's big picture bottom line? Though there is the promising and potentially Tesla Model 3 beating i4 in the wings, BMW is sticking with its sure thing for now and have already shared the battery tech with the EV-powered Mini Cooper SE. And hey, once you stop giving it the side eye for its unconventional design, the i3 actually doesn't look half bad.
That is the same as saying it doesn't look half good.
You're right, Jeff. You are absolutely right. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. Now, a pedal. Is that what we say next on Ride News Now? I guess we do. Isn't that up next on Ride News Now? When you say the same thing a zillion times and then all of a sudden it doesn't sound right? Wow, okay, yes, I've had a stroke. That's what's happened. How did I lace them weird?
Why are they laced like that?
I don't know! I don't know! Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.